Alpha 3D Supports. When all of the objects are in place and you are ready to add supports, select the support panel on the left side of the screen. Alpha 3D can automatically add the best type of supports for whatever application you have selected. Select the application on the drop-down list. Alpha 3D sets the best values for all of the support parameters. Press the Auto Supports button at the bottom of the panel. Use the View slider to make sure there are supports under the local minimum points. There must always be a support at these points. If there are no supports in these places, the object will not be securely attached to the build platform. You must then go back and edit the individual supports. Open the Manual Support section on the Support panel to add or edit any supports, and click the Manual button to show the insertion point for each support. Click an existing point to remove it. Click anywhere on the object to add a new point. Your main goal here is to make sure that the supports are in the best position for holding the object in place, but are also easy to remove during post-processing. The orientation of the object and the location of supports are dependent on the type of dental application you are producing. In this example, I do not want supports anywhere in the fitting area.